Your bike deserves better. These 15 bad habits might be silently destroying your motorcycle. Find out how to stop the damage before it's too late. One of these habits is something almost every rider unknowingly does, and it's devastating your engine. Stick around to find out which one. Let's dive in. 1. Skipping regular oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your motorcycle's engine, playing a crucial role in maintaining its performance and longevity. It lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps regulate the engine's temperature, ensuring smooth operation. Neglecting regular oil changes can have serious consequences. Over time, contaminants like dirt, metal particles, and combustion byproducts accumulate in the oil, transforming it into sludge that loses its protective qualities. This contaminated oil increases wear and tear as components grind against each other, leading to overheating, reduced efficiency, and potentially catastrophic engine damage. Solution: regular oil changes are vital to prevent these issues. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations, typically every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, though this may vary based on your bike and riding conditions. High-performance motorcycles or extreme environments might require more frequent oil changes. Always replace the oil filter to effectively remove contaminants and protect your engine. 2. Neglecting chain maintenance.
When should you lubricate your drivetrain? Your manual likely lists a service interval, but that's really more just a suggestion. Here's my rule of thumb. Lubricate your drivetrain anytime it needs it, which is to say anytime it looks or sounds dry.
The chain is one of the hardest working and most essential components of your motorcycle, responsible for transferring power from the engine to the rear wheel. Its continuous movement under high tension and speed makes it prone to wear and tear, especially without proper maintenance. A neglected chain can stretch, develop uneven wear, or even snap unexpectedly, which not only leaves you stranded, but also poses a serious safety. Regular care is crucial to ensure its longevity and your safety on the road. Yeah? Solution: clean and lubricate your chain routinely. Use a chain cleaner and brush to remove dirt, grime, and debris. Then apply a high-quality chain lubricant to minimize friction. Check the tension frequently, as a chain that is too tight or too loose leads to premature wear and inefficiency. A well-maintained chain enhances safety, boosts performance, and improves fuel efficiency. Three. Riding with underinflated tires. Underinflated tires are more than just a nuisance. They pose significant safety and performance risks. They reduce fuel efficiency, compromise handling, and increase the chances of a dangerous blowout. Moreover, underinflation leads to uneven tire wear, meaning you'll face more frequent and costly tire replacements. This not only affects your wallet, but also your bike's overall performance and longevity. Impact example: picture navigating a sharp corner with underinflated tires. The reduced air pressure makes your bike's handling sluggish and unpredictable. On wet or slippery roads, the lack of grip significantly increases the likelihood of losing control, turning a simple ride into a potential disaster. Solution: make tire pressure checks a habit by investing in a reliable tire pressure gauge. Inspect your tires before every ride and adjust the pressure according to the manufacturer's recommendations, considering factors like the load you're carrying. Properly inflated tires enhance safety, improve handling, and ensure a smoother, more enjoyable ride. 4. Aggressive braking and acceleration.
For the most part, modern motorcycles are pretty well-built machines that can withstand most of the abuse that the average rider will subject it to.
While it's thrilling to hit the throttle hard or brake aggressively, these habits take a significant toll on your motorcycle, reducing its lifespan and increasing maintenance costs. Sudden acceleration places excessive strain on the clutch and drivetrain, leading to faster wear and potential mechanical failure. Similarly, hard braking significantly reduces the lifespan of brake pads and discs, forcing you to replace them more frequently. Over time, these aggressive riding habits can lead to costly repairs and compromise the safety and reliability of your bike. Impact: imagine your brake pads as erasers. Each time you slam the brakes, you're shaving off a portion of that eraser. Frequent hard braking not only wears out your pads prematurely, but also stresses the discs, increasing the risk of expensive repairs. Solution: adopt smoother riding techniques. Gradual throttle control and anticipating stops to avoid sudden braking will not only protect your bike's components, but also enhance your riding experience, ensuring safer, more enjoyable journeys while saving you money on repairs. Five, using the wrong fuel.
This time we go for a ride out and somehow manage to put the wrong fuel in the things.
Your bike's engine is carefully engineered to operate optimally with a specific fuel grade. Using a lower grade fuel than recommended can result in detonation, an uneven and uncontrolled combustion process that puts unnecessary stress on the engine components. Over time, this can lead to reduced performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and potential long-term damage to critical parts like pistons and valves. Ignoring fuel recommendations might save money initially, but the costly repairs it can cause outweigh any short-term savings. Solution: always adhere to the fuel grade specified in your owner's manual. While higher grade fuel may seem more expensive, it ensures your engine runs smoothly and prevents expensive issues down the road. To maintain optimal performance, consider using fuel additives occasionally to clean the fuel system, especially after prolonged periods of inactivity. 6. Ignoring small repairs.
Can kill a motorcycle. This one is nearly unused, but 45 years from new.
A small issue like a loose bolt or a tiny leak might seem insignificant, but overlooking it can snowball into significant problems over time. For instance, a loose chain could snap while riding, potentially damaging the bike or causing an accident. Similarly, a minor coolant leak left unchecked can lead to overheating, which might severely damage the engine. Small issues often serve as early warning signs of larger mechanical failures. Ignoring them puts both your bike and your safety at risk. Impact example. One rider dismissed a squeaking sound from their front wheel, assuming it was harmless. The noise turned out to be a failing wheel bearing, which eventually caused the wheel to lock up, resulting in a costly repair and a dangerous situation. Solution: regularly inspect your bike for issues and address them promptly. Keep a basic toolkit handy for quick adjustments and repairs during rides. Taking a proactive approach ensures your bike remains in top condition, prevents expensive repairs, and keeps you safe on the road. 7. Overloading your bike.
And in this episode, we're going to talk about weight. But don't worry, I'm not going to put you on a diet or anything.
Motorcycles are not built to handle excessive weight, and overloading them can lead to serious issues. Carrying too much weight places undue stress on critical components like the suspension, tires, and frame, negatively affecting handling and overall safety. Overloading increases the risk of tire blowouts, reduces braking efficiency, and can even cause frame cracks, which are costly and dangerous to repair. Solution: always refer to your owner's manual for the maximum weight limit, accounting for the rider, passenger, and any luggage. 8. Using cheap aftermarket parts.
Building a motorcycle, you want it to sound good when you take it for rides, and I can tell you I've had my fair share of ups and downs in that department.
Budget aftermarket parts may save you money initially, but they often come at the expense of quality, durability, and safety. These parts are typically made from inferior materials and lack the precision of original equipment manufacturer (OEM) components, leading to premature failures and potential hazards. Investing in low-cost replacements might seem economical, but the risks can far outweigh the savings. Nine. Dragging the rear brake.
My motorcycle was giving me grief. I could ride it about 2 miles before it began to feel like I was towing something, and I quickly had to pull over before the engine bogged down and stalled.
Using the rear brake excessively can cause it to overheat, reducing its effectiveness and wearing it out prematurely. This is a common habit among new riders or those transitioning from cars. Solution: learn proper braking techniques. Use both brakes in tandem, with more emphasis on the front brake. Practice in a safe environment to develop muscle memory and improve your braking skills. 10. Parking outside uncovered. Use a weatherproof cover when parking outdoors, or store your bike in a garage. If neither is an option, Look for shaded or sheltered spots to minimize exposure. A little effort in protecting your bike can add years to its lifespan. (11) Poor riding technique.
If you're an experienced street rider who wants to try this adventure riding thing and take your motorcycle from the pavement off-road,
Improper cornering, constant high revs, or excessive clutch use can cause unnecessary wear on various components. Poor technique also increases the risk of accidents. Solution: take a rider training course or practice with experienced riders. Improving your skills not only extends your bike's life, but also makes you a more confident and safer rider. Remember, smooth is fast. Mastering the basics will make you a better rider in the long run. (12) Poor trailer setup.
Alright. Starting, so this is a 6x12 V-nose. I painted the walls and the floor first.
Transporting your bike improperly can result in scratches, damage, or worse, a bike falling off the trailer. Incorrect tie-down techniques are a common culprit. Solution: invest in a quality trailer and tie down straps. Secure your bike using multiple anchor points, ensuring it's stable and upright. Double check everything before hitting the road. (13) Wide open throttle when cold. Revving your engine immediately after starting it might sound cool, but it's damaging. Cold oil doesn't circulate effectively, leaving engine components unprotected. Solution: start your bike and let it idle for a few minutes. Use this time to check your mirrors, adjust your gear, and plan your route. A gradual warm-up ensures all components are properly lubricated. 14. Skipping air filter maintenance. A dirty air filter chokes your engine, reducing power and efficiency. It forces the engine to work harder, leading to increased wear and tear. Solution: check and clean your air filter regularly, especially if you ride in dusty conditions. Replace it as recommended in your manual. A clean air filter is essential for optimal engine performance. (15) Parking on unstable surfaces. Parking on soft ground or uneven terrain increases the risk of your bike tipping over, which can cause costly damage. Solution: always park on stable, level ground. Use a kickstand puck or a similar tool when parking on soft surfaces. This small precaution can save you from expensive repairs and embarrassing moments. Breaking these 15 bad habits will not only save you money on repairs, but also extend your motorcycle's lifespan and improve its performance. From regular maintenance to proper riding techniques, taking care of your bike is all about consistency and attention to detail. How many of these bad habits are you guilty of? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on keeping your motorcycle in top shape.